guys, it's Kelsey here with Crystalac, and I'm going to do a quick video on how and why to use its Knot Shellac. Its Knot Shellac is a water-based shellac alternative product. You use it as a sealer to help lock in the tannins in the wood so you don't get yellowing of your paints and stains. When preparing to apply its Knot Shellac, it's always important to stir and not shake. When dipping in your brush, you always want to let it drip rather than wiping on the sides. This helps prevent bubbles. Apply evenly over the entire surface of your project. Because it's thin, it's easy to apply by brushing on or with a spray gun. It penetrates and seals the wood fibers to minimize grain rays. Its Knot Shellac also blocks the tannins in the wood to prevent yellowing of your paint and stain.